from start to finish crack injection. Not all foundations cracks are the same, but when they start letting in water or affecting the structure, they need to be fixed the right way. In this project, we repaired 2 separate cracks totaling 24 FT along the basement wall,
using a professional epoxy injection system
designed as a waterproofing repair. We begin carefully inspecting each crack to understand its depth, direction, and severity. Every crack behaves differently, and proper prep is what makes all the difference for a long-term solution. Next, we started by installing injection ports along the full length of each crack. These ports allow us to control the flow of epoxy and ensure it reaches every part of the damaged area. Once the ports are in place, we seal the surface of the crack to contain the material during injection. And force it deep into the wall where it's needed most. Then comes the most critical step. We inject high-strength epoxy through each port under controlled pressure. This process pushes the epoxy throughout the entire crack, from the inside out, filling voids, helping prevent water intrusion.
just a cosmetic repair.
The epoxy actually restores peace of mind while also eliminating this pathway for water intrusion. With a total of 24 active cracks across 2 areas of the basement, precision and consistency are key. Proper spacing of ports, correct pressure during injection, and full penetration of the epoxy are what ensure the repair is complete.
No shortcuts, no surface patches.
Just a system designed to fix the problem at its core. If you're noticing cracks in your basement wall, water seeping in, or signs of movement, it's better to address it early. We offer fast, free estimates, fair pricing, and repairs that are done right the first time. After the repair is complete, we remove any excess epoxy and leave the area clean. Working on the final cleanup because little details matter. Repaired right and cleaned up right.
That's the Pier standard.
Contact Pier for a foundation inspection and follow us in our social medias to learn more about foundation problems.